Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reason on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Me remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartels, at this point we can say critically acclaimed, because the naysayers did have a whole heap of things to say prior to the album being released. When the teacher said, watch, we have more features than an iPhone 20. This is the Grammy album for dancehall music. We hear the naysayers, they must say, eh? Now we hear some other people that say, is the album going to be Grammy worthy? All of them are eat them words now. I don't know how them season it, but all of them are eat them words now. The album continues to break barriers, viewers and subscribers. The placement of certain singles from the album, top 200, top 50 out of the top 200 most purchased tracks worldwide. The album being at the top of the reggae charts as a dancehall album, with other reggae artists having albums being released during that same time period. Well, time frame. Why? Time frame. Now, viewers and subscribers, it is clear to point this out to as well. Majority of the people where that talk will notice them quiet now. Not for them have the song them a listen. I see what and what them can take from it for putting on for them next song. You know them do it. We not have to call no name. We know the artist them do it. And from time and time again, we notice this. When the teacher album projects are going to drop, all kind of people crawl out, all kind of insect pop up from all over. I try to put some negative spotlight upon the teacher. And normally in projects, them viewers and subscribers, them are try to sabotage the project. Notice they make them speech, and after the project release, and then realize we can't hold them again. Them gone. Them are dominate the charts. Them just refrain from what them do. Them just refrain, viewers and subscribers. But the album is doing extremely well. Breaking barriers. Extremely proud moment. We always know this. From Vybz Kartel, they say watching this album gonna drop. It's Grammy worthy. The teacher dropped album before. He never tell us, look out for that one for the Grammy. He may tell us that album, you want to hear it. We're not gonna say, yo, this is definitely dancehall at its finest. I'm gonna feel like some more people should be supporting this album. If you don't have a copy, go grab your own right now. Yeah, man, make sure you go grab your one right now. The song them available right now on the platform, you can go listen to them. Know what I mean? All a vibe. Listen to what it is when we say dancehall and the evolution sound. This is what we are talking about. It's not a change from dancehall music. It's just dancehall music and its evolution. New artists are forward in the genre of music, viewers and subscribers, and we still like to compare them to artists who are forward before. Different from the artists who are trying to compare themselves. Because when some artists try to compare themselves, we'll point out, say, watching, you know, nowhere near ready. Nowhere near. But we like to say, watching, that sound, you're different from the sound of the 90s. When Vybz Kartel forward and say this is a new millennium, people that say, oh, yo, theme things sound like rapper, what that? Now we notice in these later days, viewers and subscribers, that is the definition of dancehall music. Because dancehall has evolved. The artists them we are forward in the game right now, them now gonna sound like 90s artists. Them grew up in a different time, different vibe, different energy, dress code, different, everything different. Everything has evolved. Even though them say there's nothing new under the sun. But, you know what I mean? There's an evolution in everything. So we have to watch dancehall music evolve too. And Vybz Kartel is at the forefront of that. Proud moment. We are lead from the forefront. And not like some artists we are make nice. And I talk and I say, yo, we are do this and we are do that. And when we are say, where's the proof? We can't find it. Vybz Kartel is an artist, we are do it. And then I say, yo, you know, sister, I do it, we are do it. We are make everybody see it. So you know see. It's not about what you say. It's more about what you do. And a dancehall music viewers and subscribers. Start now, man. Who have the most albums since the year start? Remember the first album of Billboard it go. Watch a play now. This is the Grammy album, a Grammy where I go. Talk to me in the comment section viewers and subscribers. Let me know if you were one of those who expected the album to do what it do. It has surpassed numbers. Majority of the people will say, alright, if it even do good, it will stop at that point. All them eat them words too. Because the album itself continues to chart. It continues to chart. Remember say, yo, all music stays like this. Promotion is key. And even with Vybz Kartel's absence from the streets itself, you know, we can't do no press run right now. But we still see some of the biggest magazines in our music are reach out to the teacher. And I say, watch you know, the album is that good. We'd have to link up. We'd have to forward and come here where I say what's the inspiration, what the vibe, what the energy. Where, you know what I mean? To put out an album like this. The album is expertly mixed and mastered. Producers who know the Grammy scene. Producers who are part of the Grammy committee. So you know the level of production. Right now, dancehall music, we don't see nobody else. Some people we are taught them song them, they have a mix and master. We know them shame. You know them, we don't know them going to the shame out of them here. The only thing we can say is, and we will continue to implore them to do is, make good music. That's all I can do. Try find a way to make good music. And if you can't make good music, admit say somebody write the music them for you. And first and foremost, before you take up all of that, don't feel like someone need to give you a public apology. And say I wouldn't help hold long dancehall music to with some of the statements them want to make about the teacher. Yeah, admit that too. At this moment, we just celebrate the viewers and subscribers. Just a good another update. And I couldn't know, say what you're going on. Yes, the album will do extremely well. And we can't ever say, oh, as projected, because it have break barriers. You know what I mean? From the start, listen to Vybz Kartel music, as a youth, I realize, say, what you know? It's not just about expect the unexpected. Remember, say, the teachers are yardy too. I would know, say, yo, certain people put certain limitations on the music. Feeling like, say, yo, dancehall music cannot be mentioned in the same breath with certain other big genres of music, of world music. You know what I mean? The hip-hop, the R&B, the pop, you name it. Vybz Kartel is a visionary, you know, say dancehall music, they did it. And what happened was that producers get greedy. And, you know what I mean, stop help out young artists to find them way in the industry. And with that happening, the music became stagnant viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel being a true visionary realized, say, what you know, say dancehall music, it's not just about dropping some songs and people say, alright, are the best artists this. It's about pushing the envelope, raising the bar, setting a certain standard in the music. Not just we can say, alright, we set that standard there, so that other artists can realize, say, what you know, this is the music there. You know. The music is not just a pandalane thing. You know. We cannot tour the world. And that is what these later artists have found out. Them realize, say, what you know, say, yo, the people them love the song them in Switzerland. The people them the song them in Canada, Germany, Russia, you name the places. North America love the music. And then I realize, say, your dancehall music is very lucrative. Notice all the artists them were busting at 019. Everybody beam up, Benz up, diamonds, gold. Everybody buy a house. Everybody live in lavish. The music is very lucrative. But people like to put limitations on the artist and the genre itself. I don't feel like that right. Vybz Kartel album a break barriers, viewers and subscribers. So them say, watch you know, the thing not stop yasso. The thing not stop yasso. History in the making. Talk to me in the comment section. Comment section open. By the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. Yes, I'm reminding them now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, it just a pass through. But you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform, viewers and subscribers. The like icon there too. Drop a like on the vlog for me like we hear the share icon is also in close proximity. Drop a like on the vlog for me like we hear share icon today. Share to that friend. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. Comment section open 24/7. Never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. And yes, we can continue reasoning via the comment section. You know, move settings fam, and we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, if we want to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.